Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Sala, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Batuales, Bataan, Apura, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna, now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Alvarez, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Eviatri, Lansmore, Mindoro, Marinduquero, Santo, Visayas, Shore, Pibus, Fortis, Sugar, Coconut, and Corn, Cebu, Macdan, Matawe, Bohos, Marlete, the land of Mindanao, Manila is the capital city. Tourists are invited to see, according to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.